Just a quick video on how to replace the solid state drives in a Dell Precision 7510 laptop. First thing you're going to do after you turn your computer off is you're going to use this little lever here to unlock the bottom cover. Once it's in the unlock position, slide it down like so, and then lift it up. From there, you'll push this lever all the way to the side, which may be tricky. And then there's a little pull tab here to lift up on the battery, to remove the battery. To get to the M.2 drive slot, there's two screws you need to undo. One right here, and one right there. And then this cover slides up towards the back, and then lifts up. And you'll see potentially a heat shield here for the M.2 drive if the previous owner didn't lose it. And that just kind of lifts and hinges up. A little thermal pad there for transferring heat from the M.2 drive. And then there's a little screw up here for mounting the M.2 drive, just a standard sized M.2 screw. This will take a 2280 style M.2 SSD. And I don't have one handy, but just, slots in like so. Obviously this one's too short, but it'll be long enough to reach all the way over there. Now, with the 2.5-inch solid state drive, there's 4 screws you need to remove for the caddy. How do I get, oh, there it is. And from there, you use this little pull tab to slide it back and lift it up. Now, it doesn't include the screws you'll need for the hard drive, but those are pretty easy to get. And you may need the cable as well if it wasn't already configured with that, but I believe they come standard with that. But once you put the drive in there, you just screw it back into place. You have one of those handy. And basically, you're going to want to put the drive in with the top facing down so these connectors line up. Once you put the drive in, just set it in there like so, and then you'll just slide it inwards until it locks into place. And then you put the 4 screws back in. And once you're all done, basically you just reverse the steps you did to get into this. So you put the cover on like so, lock it in place, screw it down, you put your battery in, and slide the cover until it locks in place. Obviously I didn't put everything back in, but just for the sake of brevity I figured I'd show how to reassemble. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.